how to make a foundation single crochet. You're going to start with a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 2. Then you're going to place your hook into the second chain from the hook, pick up a loop and pull through. We now have 2 on there. You're going to pick up a loop and pull through the first, then you're going to pick up a loop and pull through the other 2. You now have made 1 single crochet. Now we're going to place our hook into the V that it makes at the bottom. So you need to make sure you see both of those. You're going to pick up a loop and pull through, pick up a loop, go through the first, pick up a loop, pull through both. We now have 2. Same thing, go through the bottom, pick up a loop, pull through the first one, now pull through both. We now have 3 single foundation crochets. You're going to continue doing that whatever length you need. This is Beth Decker with H. Lee Inspired Crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.